Good morning, YouTube. It's roughly 8:45 or so. Woke up a little bit late, but I've been working late, so I'm a little bit tired. My buddy Lucas is coming over, and we're taking out the kayaks today. Hi, Lucas. Getting them bites. When we go by over there, we gotta be careful because there's a goose with an egg on it. Right on that dock over there with the slide coming down on it, the little slide coming down. He's right under that slide. I put on a speed craw, like I always do. I wanted to branch out a little bit, but I'll catch a few fish first. All we need is one fish to break the ice. Fish. Little guy. First cast with the speed craw. I'm gonna fish these cattails over here. Let's go a lot slower. Every time I come to this lake, I always whip around the entire lake, think that nothing's biting, and then leave. I want to actually break this lake down. Yeah, that's good. That's what I need to do. I can't just take a cast and move to the next spot. Little guy. Look how small he is. What the heck? How does he even fit? Told you there's a bunch of small ones in this lake as well. Fish. Another small little dink. Nothing impressive, but keeps me entertained. Fish. Good one. Not good one, but better one.
Number 4.
Another small one. Little dink. We need one kicker, dude. We can't keep catching all these dinks. These viewers are gonna be mad. Said the viewers are gonna be mad if I keep catching all these dinks. Fish. Good one. Good one. Good one. There we go. Oh, he's going under the, oh my God, he's digging.
Pulling hard. Oh, he gave up. Oh, he's good. He's a good size.
Whew! It's a 2 pounder. Can you take a picture, Lucas? What? Can you come take a picture?
Yeah.
I'll give him some water. It's not a bad one. He's pushing 2 for sure.
Good.
All right, guys, one more look at this little guy. He's chunky. Gonna get a release on him. And he just got me soaked. That little bastard. All right, guys, midday update on the GoPro because I don't have my A5100 with me. I have caught in 5, Lucas? 4. A couple dinks and one pretty good one. The goal today is to get Lucas on a fish. He chokes every time that we're on camera.
I catch fish. I do.
He does catch fish, just not on camera. So our goal today is to get don't freaking bump into me, dude. Our goal today is to get him on a fish. I think it's very possible. No size limit. Any fish to bite his line and get in the kayak. That's the goal. Now the pressure's on. Fish right up against the shore, Lucas. That's where you'll get them. Fish. It's loaded over here. That's 2 casts in a row. Small but fish. Fish. It's every cast. They are loaded over here. God, I barely got him. Little guy again. Fish. Told you I was guaranteeing a bite off this spot, dude.
Not even that small, too. It's kind of decent.
A decent little dink. Oh, there we go. As I run into this stick, just a little dink again. See you later, little guy. Land ho! See if I can get out of here without dying. My foot is stuck on the dang backpack, jeez. My hands in bird poop. But I'm out and dry. They're going to have to deal with the head strap. This big flat mark on my head. Don't mind that, guys. But today was actually a good day. Hopefully Lucas is out there for about 10 more minutes. He's gonna try to nab a fish. He didn't catch any today, but I caught around like, I don't know, 10, maybe around there. One solid one and a bunch of dinks. Everything was caught on the Zoom Speed Craw, just Texas rigged. I tried catching some on the spinnerbait, I tried catching some on the lipless crankbait, and the square bill crankbait. Did not catch a single thing on them. Quick outro before we leave Lucas.
Oh, you're asking me to do it? Oh,
dude, give us a quick rundown of this trip we got.
Well, I had high expectations going into today. I plan to catch a couple fish. This lake hasn't been too good to me. Adam ended up getting 7 or 8 fish.
Something like that.
I had a couple bites, nothing impressive. I a couple missed, but
this is the land of giants, so one of these days when we come here, we're gonna get you on a big fish.
let's hope so.
Yeah, we'll be back soon. Next time we'll go to Camp IFO.
Camp IFO. Got my PB there.
Yep. All right, guys. Well, thank you all for watching. This was kind of like I don't really know. It's like a fast pace, not really much chalking, just a lot of catching type of video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Give it up.